Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how you can use Zoho Mail. The first thing when you're gonna be in Zoho Mail is to simply access Zoho Mail. The first thing you can see, you can have options to create organization. All your organization users who already create mailbox in Zoho Mail will be associated to this new organization, or create an email account. I'm going to create a new email account, create a mailbox. Let's wait until it's going to load. And voila, here we are. So, okay, welcome to Zoho Mail. Now manage your local settings, change language, time zone. Then choose a display name. I can go like this and like this. Add a signature here and also add a display name. Then you can also choose a theme here, like what kind of theme you want. I like this one, the default, and access Zoho Mail. When you're gonna enter, on the left side, you're gonna see Mail, Calendar, Tasks, Notes, Contacts, and Bookmarks. So these are the main things, and they are like really intuitive and really easy to understand. On the right side, you can add settings, attachment viewer, and you have some widgets that you can connect, and also other services from Zoho. And it's like really great way to use Zoho Mail if you use also Zoho CRM and everything. So you can have everything connected with each other. So you're always gonna see your inbox here. How you can do it and what you can write is to like click here, new mail, and I'm going to write mail to myself, subject, and this is email. What I can do is to send a later, reminder option. I can change priority. I can change also encoding here. So that's huge. And insert template or signature, and then just simply click subject, send. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. Here, you're gonna see folders as a draft, templates, send email. I'm going to show you how it looks like when I'm sending the mail, spam, trash, outbox, newsletter. So this is how it looks on Gmail. Really simple, really easy send using Zoho Mail. Now when we go further, we can open also calendar, and when you're gonna create a new event here, this is similar to Google Calendar. You can see directly that you can create a new event. Let's say holiday. 2:30 to end of the March. And I can add all day, conference, and I can add reminder and also add location and link and description. You can associate it on the right side with the CRM meeting task. Then just simply click save. And voila, here we have a holiday, which is pretty good. And we can make it by month or week. What is happening? Then you have like tasks here, and this is really similar to, you can simply add a task. So simple task. This is subtask. You can add a reminder. You can also send over the notification and just click save. Now you can see right here that we got a task that needs to be done. And you can have tasks directly in your email, so that's pretty effective. Then we have notes here, and I can again simply my personal notes. And these are my notes. And you can really just write some notes to your email, and this is something that I like comparing to other email services. So new note, and now name your note is going to be my secrets. I don't have any, or do I? And again, you can change the color, insert image, and just press add. And voila, you can have in this tab your notes. So that's pretty good. And then you have like new contact, and simply you can add contacts. So like this. mobile save. And then you can send email or invite to chat. And then you have like again bookmarks. Then you can write URL and everything. It's also pretty simple. And yeah. So this is how you can use Zoho Mail. It's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. You can always come here to Zoho Mail and just click on an arrow and write new task and you're directly gonna see it. Then you can click on a new event. You're gonna see it. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to write myself email here. So to Sunway Zoho Mail EU, subject work. Okay. And I should see it in a short amount of time. But this is pretty much how it works. So you can see right here. And here's the mail. So I can reply all, forward, edit as new, share email. What you can do also simply is to create a new folder. So this is really great what you can do also in Gmail and others. Folder name, let's say that work related. And this is how we do it. What I have to buy. Click save. And it's going to appear right here. So that's pretty much it how we do it. And how it can work. Then you can also add tags. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, guys, I'll be really happy to help you. Zoho Mail is a really great way how you can combine email and how you can write emails. But I don't know if I would be using it only with alone. I would definitely combine it with like CRM, forms, and others. They will be much more effective. But other than that, I really like how in Zoho Mail you can also implement calendar and you can make it with tasks and have also contacts and bookmarks and combine it with a whole ecosystem. So that's really good. But yeah, but I would have definitely one Gmail account that I would use for YouTube and everything. And then I would have one Zoho Mail if I want to connect it with the whole Zoho ecosystem. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.